Hi guys, here at Oddingley level crossing in Worcestershire with Worcestershire. Time now is 13:46 on Saturday the 22nd of December 2018. And this is for your delayed 13:30, expect act past 13:44, 1 Victor 54, cross country service from Dundee to Plymouth. I've had to wait ages for that one. I had to wait ages for the next train.
I think I've only seen two.
I only saw one, but when you went, after you left.
Just one, yeah.
And I've seen no northbound trains pass.
No,
Even though there was one was supposed to pass at about 1 o'clock, but that hasn't reported to have passed.
oh really? No northbound trains today? Is it upsetting you?
It's apparently passed as a HST, this one.
Okay.
I don't know. It better be.
Yeah.
Yeah, HST. Yeah, try not to make a noise. "43 304. 43 320.